Hi everybody. We are going to try a non-live version of this using mics that are working better.
Yes.
And sorry about the mic problem on the live ones. We did figure out what that was.
A little bit of two mics on one channel.
Two mics
doesn't
on one
really
channel.
work.
Didn't work. So we fixed it. So I think we're good now. And we wanted to walk through before we started what we're doing. So we have this device right here. You mind if I show this?
Go ahead.
Because you can't see.
Right.
So
well, I can see it through the drone camera.
You can see it through the drone camera. Okay. So Chris has got one switch plugged in, which is using a sling ring to control, and that changes the modes. You want to go cycle through all three colors? That's green.
I'm off again.
You're off again?
Yeah, twist my buttons a little bit.
Twist your buttons.
Yeah, there we go.
There's blue, and there's green, and there's red. So he can change what mode this box is in. What this box does is it takes in the joystick from his power chair controller.
This is the joystick that I normally use to drive my wheelchair, and we've temporarily unplugged it from the wheelchair and put it into the Freedom Wing.
Right. And then the other one is just this switch right here.
Yes.
And then so what this does, it sends keystrokes to my phone. And my phone
is currently
inside of the goggles that Chris
yes.
is wearing. Mm-hmm. And he is able to see through the view of the drone. And we're going to take off and we're going to fly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, yeah, well, that's okay. There is a helicopter up there.
We're not going to hit him.
We're not going to get that high. All right. So
not on a windy day like this.
No. So I'm going to take off.
Bill's going to take off. And then
I'm going to take off. And I'm going to move over safely over here.
Okay. I am not connected.
You are not. I just dropped it. Sorry. That's because the wire came out.
Okay.
Are you back?
Hang on a second here. Yes.
Yes.
Safe to fly.
All right. Safe to fly. All right. So I'm not driving this at all.
Yes. I'm not. I don't have a.
Nope,
I don't have a green.
I haven't turned you on yet. So when I hit this button, it's going to turn it over to Chris, and you're in blue.
Wait a minute. I'm not moving. This is my video is stationary.
Well, now is it?
Completely stationary.
It is.
Yeah, I'm not.
Well, let me take a look at the phone.
I'm seeing safe to fly, but it's.
Oh, it's saying. How about?
Yeah, now we're good.
Now we're good.
Now I'm seeing the.
All right. Now, we're good.
Yeah.
Okay. So when I hit this button right here, it should be in your control, and you are currently on red, blue, green. Red, you're hitting it. There you go. Now you're on green. Ready?
Okay.
All right. So Chris with his joystick should be able to fly backwards. Very nice. And forwards. Careful. I might move you up a little.
Yeah, let's go
get you a little higher.
Yeah.
All right. Let's move a little higher here.
Okay, there we go.
All right. And the tree, but whatever. And
back to me.
Now it's you. Now you're spinning.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna fly down the street. All right, gonna come back here. Where are you going into that wind? Holy cow! Sure you want to do that?
Whoa.
Yeah. How about if I bring you out here? There you go.
We are.
There you go. We are experiencing some heavy winds. It should be yours again, right? There you go.
Yes.
Can you come back here to us? This way. Very nice.
I think we must be in speed 2.
Oh, we might be in speed 2. Yeah, you're in speed 2. There's a tree there. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. All right. I think we bring it in and talk through any more we want to, because I can't see it over there. There we go. Very nice.
Okay.
All right.
You got it.
You ready?
You got it.
I got it.
Okay.
Yay, all good. All right, so let's talk through this a little bit more.
Yeah.
You're getting sales.
Yes.
Chris is getting lesson pick sales. He's never knew that was going to happen. There you go. All right. So what we ended up making was kind of a co-pilot, kind of like the Xbox co-pilot.
Yeah.
In that, if needed, I could take back over control, and when it got too near the tree, especially with the goggles on, you can't see that.
I can't really tell
Right.
how close I am to the tree.
Right, and I think this is not the right place to be doing this. I think a
No.
big old open field might be a better choice,
Yeah,
but it's too windy.
it's really a bad day.
It's really not a good day to be doing this, but you go to war with the army you've got, right?
Yeah,
So, but it totally worked.
we had a ton of fun.
We did.
We'll upload some more video later.
Yeah.
I got a really good panorama view over my house. You could see the Indianapolis Motor Speedway in the distance. You can see downtown Indianapolis. You can see Northwest High School, where I went to school. And we got some really good shots.
Yeah, I think it worked out really well. I'm really glad I came to see Chris first. I would hate to have gone through what we went through today with Ella or Max,
Yeah,
or
we
even
have
Steve.
We had some technical
Yeah,
issues
and this
to work
is the
out.
right person to have technical difficulties with,
Yeah.
right?
All right.
All right.
It's been a blast.
It has.
Thank you for
we're gonna
coming.
shut it down, and I think he'll probably have his own drone eventually.
We'll see.
You'll see. I'm pretty sure. All right. Bye. See ya.
Bye-bye.